Marilyn, thank you. Now to the coronavirus. More long lines of people waiting to get tested at the health department in Springfield as dozens came to find out if they're infected with COVID-19.
At the same time, dozens of others packed the bleachers at the first Jaguars training camp practice, open to fans who had to sign a health promise before attending.
This all comes as local hospitals continue to be swamped with patients, most of them unvaccinated, who are all suffering from COVID-19.
And today on social media, Baptist Health announced its emergency room had reached capacity, but later sent out a clarification saying that's not the case. Nevertheless, ERs are still extremely busy. Baptist now treating a total of 433 COVID patients, including 15 at Wolfson Children's Hospital. Yesterday, it had 430 patients with 13 at Wolfson.
Flagler Hospital in St. Johns County has 90 COVID patients. That is up from 53 a week ago. UF Health's numbers have fallen in a day. It now has 185 patients compared with 188 yesterday. Florida also reported 17,589 new coronavirus cases yesterday, the fourth highest single-day jump since the very start of the pandemic.
And we have several News4Jax reporters covering the recent surge in cases, beginning with Jim Piggott, who's joining us live from Baptist. Jim.
You know, we've been talking about what the hospitals have been seeing and how busy they are. And those lines for testing also very busy. And that's a concern for a lot of people. In fact, one state senator is now going to ask the president to offer some help to Jacksonville.
This is how lines have been outside the health department in Springfield all week. People wanting to know if they have the virus. Some here have been vaccinated, most have not. And they've been waiting for hours in line just to be tested. They may not know the results for several days.
I feel like if we had more people doing the test, the lines would go back a lot faster.
What about more testing sites?
Yes, absolutely. A lot of the testing sites that I used to go to the Legend Center, it's closed now.
I've been asking the mayor's office and the city council about why additional sites have not been opened. This is a statement I received from the mayor's communication staff. At this time, we're not planning to open sites, but we are monitoring the situation, and we'll let you know if that changes. It's a significant process to open a testing site. For starters, we need to locate the funding and get legislation. Then we have to get a contract with a company who can administer the test. This all takes time and has to go through all of the proper channels and approvals. Plus, we're not certain how long this wave will last. We closed sites prior to this because of lack of patience. That response has State Senator Audrey Gibson somewhat puzzled. She's going to try and push the president for help.
Oh, I have major concerns about that, and it's already a note on my calendar today to reach out to folks in the Biden administration. It's time for us to bring back testing sites.
We also reached out to the governor's office, which at first told us that in addition to the health department site, pharmacies had many locations offering tests. After we showed them our reports on the difficulty that people are having getting tested, they referred our questions to the State Department of Health. Today, with lines wrapping around the building, the local health department expects even more people will need to be tested.
The CDC is recommending that if you are vaccinated and exposed and do not have symptoms, you do get tested, you continue to wear your mask for 14 days or until you get a negative test.
Like I said, I've been asking about opening these test sites. You know, when the city was running these sites before, like at the Legend Center, they were spending about $3 million a month in order to do that. That's part of the problem that they're having here. There is some CARES Act money available, and that's being worked with. It is being discussed at this time. But they're telling us you can go to pharmacies to get tested as well. And we've been checking on that. I've been checking Walgreens, CVS. You can get tested there, but there is a wait period. You have to make an appointment. 3 days out, 4 days out, it is very busy with testing. In fact, the health department in Clay County says in order for people to be tested there, it's a 3-day wait as well. So this is a situation where you're going to have to plan ahead. And when you do go get tested, it's going to take you some time. We're live from Baptist Health. Jim Piggott, Channel 4, the local station.